Hi friends, welcome. Today I have another video in the A Homemade Christmas series, and in this one I'm showing you how to make these pretty little ornaments with canning jar lids and rings. And you guys might have seen some of these around, but it's just one of my favorite ornaments to make. It's another of my favorites, and I'll show you here the metal lids and rings came from Walmart. These did. Now, you can save your old canning rings and lids. I save all of mine. I never throw them away. As a matter of fact, I have a big box of them. But these were, I believe, $2.76, something like that. I know they were $2 and something, but anyway, that's what I'm using for these ornaments. Now, you can get the wide mouth lids and rings. These are 2 3/4 inches in diameter, and the wide mouth rings are just a little bit bigger. But you know, you can use whatever you have. But anyway, for these ornaments, I just put them together. It's really simple, and just run some glue, just hot glue, right around the edge here, all the way around. And you'll want to be careful, because that hot glue, especially if you're using a hot melt glue gun, the rings will get really hot. Ask me how I know. But anyway, so that's what I'm using, and I'll show you a few that I've made. Now, I've already showed you this one, and this is a sticker, a gift tag sticker, and I just cut out where it said like to and from, and I used it here. And you can Mod Podge over these if you want. I didn't on any of these, but you can if you want the stickers or whatever you're putting on there to be more permanent. You can do that. Then this is just some trim from Walmart in the like the seasonal sections at the ends of the aisles in the craft department. And I've just put some hot glue here, glued on the hanger, made a little bow, and so that's all there is to it. You can see that hot glue. And if this bothers you, you can by all means put something back here to cover it. I kind of like, turning it over and being able to see what's back there. So anyway, there is that one. Here is another one. And this one is done with fabric. This is just some scrap fabric. I just fussy cut out this pretty little snow angel. And this is some trim that I got on clearance from Walmart probably 2 years ago. And then I just had some of this pretty little gingham ribbon, and I made a double bow and put a button there. So there's that one. Here's one that, this is just another one of those gift tags, and I cut the to and from off of it and stuck it on there. And then I just ripped up some fabric strips, and I tied a piece around. I didn't do a bow on this one, but I just left some extra here and just tied it in a knot and put some jute on there. This one is another, this little truck is from a gift tag that I bought a pack of them from the Dollar Tree, and they were on, they were like dimensional. They had a little square of foam to make them stand up, and I just took the little truck off. This is the brown craft paper that you get on a roll. And so I just covered the lid with that and put the little truck on there. Use some more of that fabric here and some more jute twine. Now, if you wanted to bling these up, whatever your style is, you could definitely do that. I like a more country, kind of a look, farmhouse country. So anyway, I just wanted to share this with you real quick. I hope you guys are enjoying the season. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. If you wouldn't mind, share me around, share my videos. So anyway, till next video, you guys be blessed and happy crafting.